Hi, it's Trang. Welcome back to my channel. As you see, I'm wearing lipstick, which means I left the house. Guess where I went today? Yay, yay! I ordered my Ulysse PM refill online because the boutiques are closed, or so I thought. But it's been 11 days and they haven't shipped it yet. So I called the store just to see if when they were opening, if there was anybody at the store, and there was people at the store. The SA told me that they are not open to the public, but if you have a shopping history with them and you're like a long-time clientele, they are open to you to come by. So I told him what I wanted and he was able to get it for me. I paid over the phone, drove by, he threw it in the car, and off I went. So I have my refill, yay! So I'll be back to show you guys if it fit or not because I have the Neo version. Online they showed that there's 12 rings. If you count the silver spiral, there's 12 of them. But the store one, I believe, is 11 rings. When I asked him, he was unsure if it fits. But that's the only one they have for the PM size. So we are both very confused. I'm just going to insert it into the planner and hopefully everything fits. And I will show you guys that in a little bit. Here's the packaging. Yay, yay. So how I like to do it, because I can never put the bowl back again, is I just slide the bowl out. Like so. Then I can preserve the packaging later. Okay. So let's see if it's the right one. Hopefully we are in frame because I can't see myself. We're in a new setting. And actually my study where I do most of my work now instead of the official study that I share with my husband. There you go. This one is the cover. Let's hope this fits. Oh, the box is different. I think it didn't used to open this way. It used to be just a box, but now they have a little piece of tape that is also orange, and it opens like so. So let's count the rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is exactly like their regular PM size refill. I ordered the blank one because I wanted to print the calendars onto this paper, and so I didn't want the roll, but it does come with a piece of rolled paper. You can put it underneath, and as you see, it's very see-through so that you can write whatever it is that you need to write. Now that I am seeing the plain paper in person, I'm kind of worried because it's very thin. If I print a calendar on here, will it show? You know what I mean? So I think what I'll have to do is print half a calendar here, half a calendar here. And instead of printing one on the back, I'm going to leave the back pages for notes. Like if I have a week that I'm busy or things I have to remember, I'll keep it as notes, and then I will then do another calendar. That way there's space in between. Because I think it'll be weird if I do a calendar here, a calendar in the back, but then when I'm looking through it, I can see right through the back. As you can see, the texture of this paper, it's a little bit bumpy. This is the plain type. This is not their drawing paper. I believe drawing paper is $65. I wonder if the drawing paper is a little bit thicker. I've never purchased their drawing paper. I've only purchased their lined paper and this one. I cannot believe how thin this is. Holy moly. Yeah, it's pretty see-through. Let me see. So this is just my planner. I'm curious if you can see through this. Wow. That's some thin paper. I wonder if I have a piece of computer paper that I compare with. I believe a pack of computer paper shouldn't be over $10. And this is the thickness of the computer paper. This is their little line. Oh, I guess it is thin. I never noticed. I always thought they were pretty thick, but now under lighting, and maybe this is not that thin. What do you guys think? It's different. It's not as thin as I originally thought. Now that I'm comparing it to a piece of computer paper. You know. The color's a little bit different. It's oysterish. Let me smell it. It doesn't smell like anything but wasted money. But it's cute. It has a little logo. I don't know if you guys can see it on the screen. Let me put this under. Maybe yeah, let's do this. Yeah. Has a little Hermes logo here. The reason I got it is because of this plastic part with the snap button. It snaps right in to the cover, like so. It has the word Hermes on it. Paris made in France. There you go. And it fits. So I guess if you happen to buy the Neo Ulysse PM and you have refills that you haven't completely used up yet, they fit in the new one. So that's pretty interesting. I don't know why the website show one with 12 rings if the one with 11 ring also fit as well. I haven't actually seen anyone use the Neo one with a 12 ring. I wonder if that was just like a Photoshop mistake that they did or what's going on the website, because this seems to fit perfect. So that's that. I'm really glad that the store allowed me to come and pick this up. I did not want to wait 3 to 4 weeks for this to be delivered. To me, that's a little bit ridiculous, because when I bought it, if they had made a disclosure that there will be a long 3 to 4 weeks wait and I chose to buy it, that would be different. But in my case, there was no disclosure. All it says was that their distribution center in the USA are now open and you can place your order. Then after I placed my order, you know, a couple days later, I guess people were wondering when their items were going to be shipped. Did they put on their website that there will be a 3 to 4 week delay? Even then, I didn't get a personal email telling me that my order was going to be delayed until I called them, and it went straight to a voicemail. Then I emailed them. Then I got a generic email that says, we cannot tell you the time frame that we will ship out your order due to pandemic, blah, blah, blah. Basically, your order is delayed, but we can't tell you when we will actually ship it out. So it's a bit much. Because this paper is very nice paper, you guys. It's almost like drawing paper in terms of the quality. It feels good. I originally thought it to be super thin, but now that I compared, it's not that thin. So that's good. But anyhow, is it really worth $50 for this much paper? I would say not. By comparison, if you buy a regular planner, you would spend maybe like $5 to $20, you know, and that's with like printed ink, everything. This is just plain paper, $50. I don't think it's worth it. Unless, I say unless, you are fanatic about journals and, you know, you want things to match and you're all for supporting the brand and you really respect the quality. Otherwise, if you're looking just to have something to write on, this would not be something for you, because it is really overpriced for what it is. It's a piece of plastic with 2 snap buttons. The plastic has this little stamping on it. It's a piece of, what is this? What do you call this? Cellophane? Yeah, with a little hot stamp logo. You got another cellophane in the back. This is probably some aluminum spiraling right here. You can find the same quality in Paperchase spiral. That's gonna run you anywhere between $10 and $15. So all in all, is it worth it? So your $50 went toward this logo here, this logo here, this beautiful packaging, the ribbon, your free sample of a very tiny perfume. Let me see. Oh, yes. Luxurious. And of course, this bag. Oh, and I forget. Your receipt is going to come in this very beautiful embossed quality receipt holder. This is what $50 will get you. I mean, truthfully, I enjoyed it because I'm going to get my money out of this. I'll print calendars, and like I said, in a normal agenda, I never use the date on these. Like, let me go to a month. Okay, so I only use this, but I would never use these guys. So I'm wasting 3/4 of a planner, whereas if I do my own, I'm basically using the entire thing. This is probably like at least 7 years worth, you know, if I print out my own. But despite printing out 7 years worth of agenda on this thing, it still would not equal $50, y'all. So what I'm trying to say is you buy it because you love the brand, you really respect the quality, but it's a lot for what it is. So that's all I'm going to say.